Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. Friends, this video is in the continuation of my previous video into which I have been sharing a very beautiful and wide variety of hand embroidered and machine embroidered handmade no sew required face mask designer style designs. All of these designs are 3D patterns, 3D embroidered face mask designs. These are very beautiful, soft, lightweight designer style with adjustable elastic straps, full face coverage masks, and the collection is entirely composed of various types of traditional regions based hand embroidery designs and patterns. From today's video collection, you would get amazing and trendy ideas of Chinese hand embroidery, traditional Pakistani and Indian hand embroidery, Japanese embroidery, Mexican embroidery, and much more related to embroidery stitches as well. So friends, don't go anywhere. Do watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish trendy face mask design ideas. This dinosaur mask is very funky and stylish at the same times. Do try these patterns for your kids. They will love it. And this black mask onto which pink color flowers and green color leaves have been made, a very beautiful bunch, is representing a 3D view of the face mask. Similarly, light creamy white color based multi flowers and bunches are very beautiful and represent a traditional classy look. Similarly, this ladybird and floral bunches of white mask is very trendy and unique. Friends, kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And if you want to make exactly these patterns, then use anchor or DMC as an embroidery thread, or you can also use some silky threads for machine embroidery. Or if you want a very matte and dull look that would go towards more decency and elegance, then you can use embroidery wool as well. So friends, stay blessed, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, spread positivity, share positive vibes, stay away from negative things and vibes, and be a source of motivation for your friends and family so that they could achieve their required goals. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep supporting me, keep watching my content. If you have any queries or any questions, or you have any sort of preferences, interest, or you want me to share some ideas of your interest with you, then kindly comment below this video. We will sure take your comments into consideration and will make new videos as per your choices. So stay safe, stay home, keep loving others,